found a keeper. Oh. She's like, you moved. You want the ball? You want the ball?
I think she thought you were getting food.
Yeah, she wants the ball. And the squeaky.
She's like, next.
Want the wrong way? Oh, she wants the hand. Can I have the squeaky? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Can I have the squeaky? Look at the toy.
It's funny.
Can I have this ball? No, I want to play with that stick that you're holding in your hand. The stick with the hand-shaped piece of rubber on it. Can I have this railway?
Oh, that's funny.